If you're anything like us, you love a good IKEA hack. From coffee tables to bunk beds, there's nothing that beats transforming flat-pack furniture into a custom piece. It's even better when the hack is for a kid's room. For that reason, we decided to put together a list of our favorite IKEA kids bunk bed ideas and hacks. 1. Midal Bunk Bed. Bunk beds aren't just for sleeping. During the day, transform the lower bunk into a sofa. Pull up a stool, use it as a side table, set down your drink and enjoy. For extra comfort, you can tie up chair pads on a Fingtorp rail and use them for a more living room feeling. 2. Vidval Bunk Bed. Soft shapes and fabric guardrails. These are the details that make this bunk bed unique. Perfect when you need space for two but have limited space. You can accessorize with products from the Minimalist series. 3. Beds that maximize the use of space. This affordable bunk bed is made of solid wood, a durable material that lasts for generations and can be recycled when children move away from home. Good for your wallet and our environment. 4. Space-saving bunk bed for tired teammates. If you have two boys, then this bunk bed is the right choice. With a sports theme and a very elegant design, this bunk bed is perfect for filling your child's bedroom. 5. Small bedroom, no worries. Use the space to the max with our new Vidval loft and bunk beds that are made in metal with fabric railguards. A bunk bed makes space for two, while the loft bed makes space underneath, maybe a cozy spot for studying. 6. Tuffing Bunk Bed. At a low price, but has materials that are very strong. This bunk bed can be an option. Besides getting comfortable, you can also feel safe with the safety of your children. 7. Midal Children's Bunk Bed Makeover. The challenge was to recycle some of the contents of the old hack. Just remove the MDF boards and one of the Midal bunk beds, and use the remaining bed for the new hack. Of course, the hack can also be built from scratch. 8. Minimalist Castle IKEA Bunk Bed. For a toned-down look, this simple castle bunk bed is perfect. Instead of a traditional bunk bed, this setup features one bed on the ground and one lofted above a play space. There are also spots for your kids' books, so your kids can read in bed before they go to sleep. 9. Upholstered Bunk Bed. Tufted fabric and adorable buttons add a soft, girly vibe to this all-white Kura. An IKEA hack that looks simple, but the results are very satisfying. I really like the idea of this one. 10. IKEA Stuva Closet Hacks. With a few IKEA Stuva closet as a basis, you can make yourself a fantastic bunk bed. A very brilliant IKEA hack idea. This one is so perfect and elegant.